All right, everyone, welcome back. I forgot to cover GFI the other day, so we're going to look at it now. Looking at the overall picture for GFI, I would say this thing is bullish, at least in the short term. Here on the macro picture on the weekly chart, from the high back here to the low, you can see it did get stuck right at the 382 here at 194. So once you get over this 194 price area, you break this high that we're about to look at here on the daily chart. And once you get over this price area here, let me go ahead and draw a box here. That way, when we're down on the daily chart, we know what to look for. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. But a break over this box here is going to send GFI to the moon. And you can see the next target on the macro scale. If we get up to that 194 and break through that, the next stop is about 350, and you're looking at about an 80% spike to the upside here. So let's go ahead and get that off of the screen. We're going to go down to the daily chart here and look at what is going on. So from the low to the high, you can see that I already drew it on the screen from this spike in the volume. We are forming this very bullish ascending triangle pattern here. So it looks extremely well, in my opinion, right now. It does not look bearish in any form. You can see the spike in volume, and then in this consolidation period here, in that pattern, the volume just died. So that is textbook what you want to see here in something like this. So once you break the high here at 187 and get over that 194, it's off to the races, in my opinion. But right now, it does not look bearish at all. We could draw a even smaller fib from that high there to that little low here, and you can see from the high to the low, you're sitting right on your 618 support here at 151. So if you stay over 151, you are still technically bullish. You would hold the pattern here, and it looks like you need to get over 165, and then you'll have a shot at that green box. But like we already said, once you break through that out of this bullish continuation pattern here, this thing's going to spike up to over $3. So yeah, it looks good right now. The stock RSI, you can see, is down here about to reset. And if we look over the Heikin-Ashi candles, they are indecisive off of these green ones. So the trend up really didn't stop. It just kind of slowed down for a minute here. And it looks like she's getting ready to go again, in my opinion. Of course, none of this is financial advice. You always got to do what's best for you. And we'll leave it at that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.